Hello and welcome traders. In this particular video, we will discuss how we captured more than 30% move in Kalyan Jewellers through our insights in drckinayan.com. So, as a weekly practice, we usually upload articles in the name of weekly chart spotting where we cover up different stocks, be it bullish or bearish move. And last, if we go to this particular site here, 2 weeks back, we captured the stock of Kalyan Jewellers with the title Sellers Takeover in Kalyan Jewellers, weekly chart spotting. And here we mentioned how it is building up a bearish setup, and we use many technical elements to support our argument. But इससे पहले हम जाने कि इस स्टॉक में हमने डिटेल में एनालिसिस कैसे की है, we will let you know कि how we came up with this name of Kalyan Jewellers, right? So for that, we simply use this simple technique of top-down approach in which we first try to find out where the broader market is leading towards or favoring and where we as a trader should bend towards. After which, we usually find out what sector is supporting our bend or in favor. And out of that sector, we then come up with a stock which can give us more benefit according to our view. And so, जब ये पर्टिकुलर आर्टिकल पोस्ट हुआ था, एज आई मैंशनड अराउंड 11th of Jan 2-3 weeks back, we need to know broader market का sentiment किस तरफ था. And as we know, after making a high in September 2024, market has been really indecisive in accordance to trend. But for intraday trades, we are continuously mentioning that market is favoring more bearish trends, as we can check on the daily insights from the daily insight headline itself, which is continuously stating from Jan 6th or even before that how it is giving us more bearish signals. For example, get set for a dull week, bank nifty slips, no relief in sights, support may break, and gap up, but can it sustain? So the overall sentiment was bearish. We know we need to sell for earning. But coming into the sector segment, in all this indecisiveness, we usually tend to move towards the news triggers. And when we talk on gold related stocks, there was a negative news of mismatch in an error in counting stocks last week, and that was the reason we had seen a pressure on gold stocks, for examples Rajesh Export or Titan, and they have got a big hit a few weeks back. But why we came up with Kalyan Jewellers? Because obviously it was making some bearish sentiments setups, but since it was trading at its higher price, we have got more room shorting. We have got more space to earn by selling in that. And finally, coming into how we made this decision, looking at the chart of Kalyan Jewellers. So we have mentioned at the levels of 629.9, which is around 630, and we have said that it will go around the targets of 450 for a seller to earn to exit, right? And how we came up with that? So first of all, we all know at that particular week it was trading at its highs, right? But the high was same as the previous week high, which means it was not sustaining the high, right? Not sustaining, and in fact, it went further down and cross all this consolidation week phase. यानी इतने weeks की मेहनत थी जो एक ही week के candle में cross हो गई. And not just that, it broke some short term and longer term momentum. Now, if we come to these 5 lines, these are Ichimoku lines. Ichimoku is a whole different concept which we can explain in some other video. But as of now, let's understand it as a short-term and longer-term momentum. This particular line is 9-day period midpoint, and this is 26-day midpoint, and it broke all these momentums in this one candle only, right? And here we can say that sellers has engulfed the bull, because the candle was so huge कि not just it engulfed the previous week candles, but also broke a good consolidation as mentioned. The second thing which favors this bearishness was RSI negative diversion, which means the stock was trying to make new highs, but at the same time RSI was not favoring that. RSI was not making new highs, hence the momentum was lacking. And that was the point we knew that this stock cannot sustain at this highs. And with this big weak candle, we know the bearishness can continue. Coming into these Ichimoku lines, after breaking these smaller momentum lines, we know the next support comes in at the cloud. So for now, we'll keep this as a support, right? But going into the chart, we know we need to sell it. But what gives the confirmation further? We know the sentiment was quite bearish. The sector was giving some negative news. But what gives you the confidence to actually execute the sell trade? And that is where we can see the chart, weekly chart of Kalyan Jewellers. So it mentioned that the week after, we told it will give more, the stock price will go down further. The next week itself, it opened with a wide gap. And not just that, it sustained the gap further. Yeah, which means it was further giving us more bearish signal. And that was the time you can execute your short trades. And as mentioned before, we know this was the support line. And in the next week itself, it broke that support also. So this gives further signal that our trade is well executed and we can further carry it. And in this particular week, and especially in this particular day, we see a slight bounce back of in the stock with a doji pattern itself, which is a reversal pattern. But can you see the levels of this? This was the exact levels we mentioned here that can reverse, because here we have set a demand zone criteria, and we mentioned that if you have shortened this is your particular target, because this is a demand zone, which means very much unfulfilled orders are pending here, which can pressurize the stocks to go up. But our targets were done as mentioned. So this was the wholesome analysis of Kalyan Jewellers. So this was a detailed analysis on Kalyan Jewellers. And जैसे कि मैंने पहले mention किया था, this is our weekly practice to put articles in the form of weekly insight, but also we have market updates in daily form, in the form of daily insights also in drcknarayan.com. So yes, you are at the right place to learn technical analysis with Dr. C.K. Narayan. ऐसी updates के लिए do follow this particular YouTube channel and subscribe to drcknarayan.com. And if you like this analysis, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you.